Hey there, and welcome to the first seasonal video in our brand new home. Today I'm sharing with you how I am decorating for fall. I am so excited. Fall is my favorite season, so I am always so excited to decorate. This year I went non-traditional with little hints of traditional. I gotta have my pumpkins in there some way. So I'm gonna bring you along with me decorating, and of course everything is gonna be super affordable. I got all of my items from either Homegoods or Hobby Lobby. So if you're interested in decorating for fall as well, then keep on watching. The time has finally come. It is time for a fall haul. As you can see, I've collected a lot of stuff over the last couple of weeks. So let's get started. Let me just start with something I already placed on the table. So I am going through the house and just adding some decor pieces so the house can look a little bit more cohesive. And I found this little, it looks like a milk jug, but it's amber glass, and I absolutely love amber glass. This came from Hobby Lobby. It was $24.99, but I got it for either 40 or 50% off. We already know that we're getting a dining table and we're gonna decorate that, probably fix that up next year. So I got these like tan napkins. It's a set of 6 for $10. And I love this color because it's super neutral and it can go for a lot of different things. And then for this table, I found these placemats. They were $7.99 each that I got for 50% off in the fall sale at Hobby Lobby, so I picked up 4 of them. This is just to add a little bit of decor. It's really not necessary, but I got these chargers. These were $1.99 each. These napkins, these are also a set of 6 napkins for $10. And I got these from HomeGoods. These are just black and white, and I love the texture of these as well. And then a lot of these items came from HomeGoods, and hopefully you guys can find it in your area because they're super cute. And so I got this set of 4 napkins as well. These were $7.99 at HomeGoods, and these are just a really cute, like rustic orange color. And then I also picked up this set of 8 napkins. These were $9.99 each, and these are orange with pumpkins on them. This is perfect for Thanksgiving. I picked up this set, which was $6.99, and it's a set of 2 towels. And the first towel says Black Hat Tavern Bites Brews Come In For a Scare, and it's just like little witches hanging out. And it comes with this first one as well as this pattern on the back, so I plan on putting both of these on the stove. So I picked up this apron for $9.99, and it says Hocus Pocus on it, which is one of my favorite Halloween movies. For Halloween, I got these placemats. These were $12.99. It is a set of 4 placemats, and so I'll swap out the jute ones that I'm putting on the table for these Halloween ones. And then I wanted some more kitchen towels in a set of color of orange. So these were $7.99 each in a set of 3 kitchen towels. This orange check one, this orange stripe, and then this orange grid color. I can't remember when I picked up this jar, but this came from Hobby Lobby as well. I think I took the sticker off, but this is going on the bookshelf. For my napkins, I wanted some napkin rings, and these are fall resin napkin rings. They are $3.99 each, 50% off at Hobby Lobby. All right, and then I wanted some more pumpkin decor. So I'm pretty sure this is the cement one. Yes. I picked up this really cute cement pumpkin. I picked up this set. These are just white pumpkins of different sizes, just to place all around the kitchen and the bookshelf as well. And then I got 2 bags of these like blue and white sets of velvet pumpkins. These were $7.99, again on sale. They have pine cones in here, and then just pumpkins of all sizes. I picked this one up at HomeGoods for $4.99. It is just a spoon rest, and I thought this was really cute. We have just a plain white one that we put on the stove, but this one has fall decor on it. It has a pumpkin, and on the sides it has pumpkin leaves, so I thought this one was really cute to put out. This is a like wooden pumpkin Actually, it feels like plastic. This was $6.99. And I thought this one was really cute. I picked up this one. It's called Buttery Pumpkin, and I love this jar because once I'm done with it, I can reuse it. So this one was $17.99 on sale for 40% off. It smells so good. It legit smells like a buttery pumpkin. And that is it for the haul. So let's tidy up just a little bit and start decorating. I feel like no season is complete without a decorative wreath, and so this is my first time actually making a wreath, and I actually really am obsessed with how it came out. I picked up everything from Hobby Lobby on sale in their fall sale, and so I'm just showing you the items that I am using to really make this wreath come to life. And a really good hack is to get most of your florals from one of their larger sets of bouquets, because that price is around $25, and on sale it will be 40 or 50% off. And that way you can use multiple types of florals to really make your bouquet full and really come to life. So I'm laying the greenery down first. Once I arranged it how I wanted to, I went ahead and secured that with some hot glue. Now I'm just sticking in some flowers in a way that I think looks the best. I make sure to really spread out all of the colors so it's not too concentrated with the light or dark colors on one side of the wreath. And for this one, I'm only decorating the bottom half of the wreath. I think that looks really sweet for fall. You guys, I am obsessed with making wreaths. I posted it on my Instagram and all of my friends thought they looked so good. I made one for my mom and one for my friend Chloe, but I'm also adding these picks in from the harvest section in Hobby Lobby, like the fall harvest section, and these are really affordable. They're all under $4, and with the sale you can get them even cheaper. So when you're making your wreath, just make sure to arrange them how you'd like first, and then secure it with glue just in case if you don't like something, it's not stuck and you can really customize it to your liking. All in all, this wreath cost me $30 to make, and the ones that I saw on Etsy and online were super expensive, so I'm really happy I was able to DIY this for a fraction of the cost. Now that the wreath is on the door, we have to spruce up the area, so I'm just cleaning up our entry mat, and I found this really cute mat from either Hobby Lobby or at home when I went, and I just had to pick it up. It is so cute. It's just a tiny pumpkin. No one is really, rubbing their feet. We don't have guests at our house, so I was fine with using a really decorative mat, but I thought it was really cute and seasonal. Now moving inside, it is time to clean up, and this table we eat at quite frequently, so it has fingerprints all over it. I'm just cleaning that up before we go ahead and start our place setting. Like I mentioned, we're not having any dinner parties or anything, but I think it looks really nice to just have your space decorated for whatever season it is, just so it's like, fun and festive.
It really makes me wonder. I wonder, how come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Moving on to the living room. So I'm finally getting started with decorating the space. I've just thrown random things on the bookshelves, but I have been tired of looking at our random things up here for a while. So really happy to get some items to really decorate the space for fall and just in general. Everything needed a clean, like a really good wipe. So I'm using a microfiber towel and just dusting everything off. I'm also going to just wash the mantle a little bit because Brooklyn likes to step all over it. So we have little dog paws everywhere.
Show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder.
And heading over to the kitchen, I'm giving everything just a light clean. The kitchen wasn't that bad, just needed to do a couple of dishes and wipe everything down. And I'm just gonna start adding very minimal things to the kitchen. I don't like too many items on the counters or anything like that. I feel like we have enough already. So I'm just adding the spoon rest to the stove and then adding a couple of pumpkins here and there. And then I'm gonna switch out the linens on the stove for something more seasonal.
When I stare into the night, I can see the burning light, shifting slow from red to green. Sweet, sweet dreams. Every breath means letting go.
You can't forget about the coffee bar either, so I'm adding a couple of pumpkins here as well.
Peaceful rest is not a test. Sweet, sweet dreams. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me. Re-energize me. While I fantasize, deep sleep, big heat, cover me. Turn out the light. The next morning when I wake.
Another thing I picked up are these faux pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. They don't look super like authentic. I know they make ones that look nicer on Amazon and they are heavy, so they'll be nice and durable. So I'm gonna place these outside. And I am just now starting to decorate everything in the house. So it doesn't look super put together yet, but I just love all of the little touches of what I've added. So I love the dried eucalyptus in this dough bowl here. I have the candle, which even though it's not lit, it definitely does leave a really nice scent. And then I have these two pumpkins up here that I love. So I'm loving how everything is turning out. And then on this side, I have one of the little felt pumpkins here with the cinnamon sticks that also makes the house smell so good. And then I have another little pumpkin here. We are going to repaint the bookshelf, so I'm just leaving things how they are now. I also really love this resting spoon. I think it is so cute. I know it's orange and very traditional, but I still love the way that it looks. And then have all of the cute little pumpkins added with the decor so it's not too much. And I also really like the way that this turned out. We're not gonna have any like dinner parties or anything, but I think it's just very sweet to just have, you know, your eating spaces decorated for whatever season. That is it for this fall decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in a couple of days in a brand new video. Bye.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.